Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there stood a peculiar door. This was no ordinary door, for it was painted an enchanting shade of blue that seemed to change with the seasons. Children of the village would often gather around, marveling at the door's beauty, but none dared to open it. The villagers believed it was a doorway to a magical world but feared the unknown. One day, a young girl named Maya, filled with curiosity, decided to take a step forward. She reached for the doorknob, her heart pounding with anticipation. With a gentle twist, she opened the door. Stepping through, Maya found herself in a world of wonder. The air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the ground beneath her feet was soft and vibrant. She saw trees that touched the sky, and rivers that flowed with liquid gold. Maya explored this magical world, learning about its creatures and plants, its customs and secrets. She discovered that every creature she met had a unique story to tell. Each story was a lesson about friendship, courage, and the power of curiosity. As the days passed, Maya realized that she had changed. She had grown wiser, braver, and more compassionate. She had learned that every door, no matter how ordinary it may seem, leads to a new adventure, a new lesson, or a new opportunity. One day, Maya decided it was time to return home. She said her goodbyes to her new friends, promising to return someday. With a smile, she closed the door behind her, stepping back into her world. The villagers were surprised to see Maya return, but they could see the change in her. She shared her stories, her lessons, and her experiences with them. The villagers were inspired, and they too began to venture through the door, discovering their own magical worlds. The door continued to stand, a symbol of adventure, learning, and growth. It reminded the villagers that every door, no matter how ordinary it may seem, holds the promise of a new journey, a new lesson, and a new opportunity to grow. And so, the story of the magic door continues, inspiring a new generation of curious minds to step through its enchanting blue door, ready to learn, grow, and discover the magical world that awaits them.